Mrs. Abisola Arinola.
Okay, Ms. Abilola.
Abisola.
Abishola.
Yes, my lord.
Ms. Abishola, are you around? Okay, you can talk to her while we move to the next case. I stand down this matter until you come back. Call the next case, Akwan.
We are most grateful, my
Yes,
lord.
Mm-hmm.
So number NICN/LA/597/2017 between Mr. Adebisi Lawal and Friesland Wampo Nigeria PLC. My lord, the matter is for defense.
Okay. Yes, counsel.
With profound respect to the Honorable Court, M.A. Olateju, appearing with me, S.K. for the
SK.
S.K. Okay. O.K.E.
Okay.
for the complainant.
All right.
And for the claimant, my lord, sorry.
Okay.
May it please this honorable court, O.A. Ajasa. My appearance is for defendant in this matter, my lord.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Ajasa, long time. Yes.
Yeah, very long time, my lord. Glad to be in my lord's court once again.
No problem. Yes.
Very well. The matter is for defense, my lord. The last adjourned date, the claimant's counsel were able to cross-examine the first defense witness. And there are two other witnesses currently available for cross-examination today as well, subject to the convenience of this honorable court.
How many witnesses are we talking about?
Two witnesses, my lord.
All right.
For cross-examination. The two witnesses are here, subject to the convenience of this honorable court. We are ready to proceed.
So I hope the claimant counsel is ready to cross-examine them.
My lord, we are ready. Once my other friend is ready, we are ready, madam.
Okay, they are all yours.
As copied.
You go ahead.
So our first witness.
We have DW1 and DW2.
We have DW1, DW2, and DW3.
Okay.
But we have cross-examined DW1 already.
Okay.
So it's just for the cross-examination of DW2 and DW3, my lord.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now, my lord.
Yes, my lord, we can hear, my lord.
Okay, thank you. So, Akpan.
My lord.
Give the DW2, give him the oath.
Are you a Muslim or a Christian?
DW2, I think is it Mr. Samuel Udekwe or Agnes Ogunwajo?
Agnes Ogunwajo.
Yes, Agnes Ogunwajo is a lady. She has already done an evidence in chief. Now it's just for cross-examination.
Done his examination in chief. That's what it's saying.
Can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
What do we stop? Where do we stop?
I wonder how we are going to do this trial today with this kind of network.
We can hear you, my lord.
All right, go ahead. Has he been sworn in?
Yes, she can be reminded of our oath, my lord, because previously the 3 defense witnesses' evidence in chief had been concluded. The previous justice managing the matter at the time allowed us to do examination in chief for the 3 witnesses, and they were supposed to be cross-examined together. And so since my lord continued the trial from the last time, we'll just continue with that process.
No problem.
My Lord, I'm sorry, I'm not aware of the situation my other friend is painting. I thought this morning each of the witnesses will adopt their statement, and then from there we can go on and do a cross-examination.
This is a blue one. Computer. This is face examination. From the records, DW1 was cross-examined and re-examined. So, yes.
That is true, my Lord.
My lord, from the records, DW1 was cross-examined and
Examined
and discharged. So we should be looking at DW2 now.
Okay,
Yes.
DW2 should be
My
sworn
lord,
in.
what I'm trying to explain, if the court will permit, my lord, we did not start this trial de novo when my lord took over this case. We continued from where your learned brother, Justice, I forget his name now, my lord. My apologies. At the time,
I understand. Amadi.
Yes.
My lord, Amadi now GCA. Yes.
Yes. So what had happened was that our witnesses were in court on a certain day, and because of the absence of one of the witnesses who had done our evidence in chief, the court directed that we do the examination, the evidence in chief of all the witnesses. And this was concluded. And then the matter was adjourned for the defendant's counsel to cross-examine all of the defense witnesses. I stand guided by the records of the court. So we just continued
it's on record, my lord.
Okay.
All witnesses have been sworn in by Justice Amadi.
Okay, let them be reminded of their oath.
As the court pleases, we're very much obliged. So we go with Agnes Ogunwajo first. She's DW2 for cross-examination, and she's on the call.
Okay, let
Agnes, please turn on your video and your audio as well.
Witness, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me, please?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, thank you.
Right. Did you remember you are still on oath?
Yes.
My lord, the witness is on oath.
It's okay. The counsel, go ahead with the counsel, lead your witness.
Very well. We've concluded the evidence in chief, my lord. It's for the cross-examination of the defense counsel now.
Okay. The defense counsel, go ahead and cross-examine the witness.
My Lord, I don't understand the procedure my other friend is proposing. Ordinarily, he's supposed to lead his the witness, and then from there on, we can go on and cross-examine.
No, the witness has been led before.
Well, Lord, I don't have that process. I don't have the endorsement on my file here. That is what I'm saying. I don't know how far.
This issue predated their representation of the claimant in this case. The counsel, the previous counsel for the claimant was present when the court ordered that we adopted this process. And that was concluded for the evidence in chief of our 3 witnesses.
Counsel, I think for refreshing this, and I think you should just go ahead and lead the witness again so that it's cleaner on the record here. And for counsel on the other side.
I appreciate my Lord.
Very well.
Yes, counsel. Let's go ahead like that.
Yes. Can you please introduce yourself to the Honorable Court?
Can you hear me, please?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, I'm Agnes Gwandu. A Christian, of course, a female, as you can see, and then I'm currently data analytics specialist, or formerly human resources administrative specialist. Thank you.
Very well. Can you tell us where you work?
I work in First Company now. I'm a staff and an employee.
Very well. Can you recall that you deposed to a witness statement on oath dated the 15th June 2021 at the registry of the National Industrial Code?
Yes, I do.
Yes. What would you like this honorable court to do with this statement that you have deposed and it's before the court?
It's valid.
Yes. What would you like the court to do with that statement?
The oath
Would you like the court to take that statement, the oath that you deposed to? Would you like the court to take that statement as your evidence?
Yes, as my evidence.
Very well, my lord.
Right.
We rely on the records of the court, the evidence of the witness statement on oath of Agnes Ogwuajo dated 15 June 2021, which is before this honorable court. My lord, that will be all for the evidence in chief of DW2.
Does she have any documents that she has brought forward?
The documents had been admitted via the previous witness.
Okay, it's all right. Then go ahead. Counsel for the claimant, go ahead and cross-examine her.
Appreciate the court. Mrs. Ogwuajo, in your witness statement on oath, you claim to be the IT analyst of the claimants of the defendant's company.
Yes, I do. That's correct.
As such, you are not the human relation manager of the defendant's company.
I'm not human relations manager.
Yes. Secondly, you do not relate one-on-one with the claimant in this case. Yes or no?
How do you mean?
In respect of his duty with the defendant.
I was, as at the time. Yes, I was.
He is not under your department. That's what I'm saying.
No, he was not under my department. He was in production.
Yes. You mentioned in your statement, particularly in paragraph 7 to 14, that the defendant company capture attendance of his employee via computer-related means. Yes or no?
Yes.
You are also aware that apart from that, there is a backup with the log, physical log book in that office. Yes or no?
In the
Apart
factory
from
where the claimant work?
Yes, where the claimant
Yes,
work.
yes,
Good.
they do. They have manual, but technically, standardly for the organization.
That I have to just
they
answer
should.
my question. Yes, as of today, there is nothing in your statement to refer to that manual logbook.
Sorry,
Yes or no?
I do not. For the company
My
I'm
question-
representing, manual logbook. I don't work in the factory. Manual logbook
Sorry.
is none of my responsibility. I don't know anything about it. Maybe the second
Good.
defendant can
But
answer.
you are aware that they have a logbook in that
They should
their
have.
production
That
section.
is not the standard for the
The
organization when
backup.
it comes to attendance. Yes, it's
Good.
not the standard.
Yes. Can you
Is
remind the court how long have you known the claimant in this case?
yeah, I've been in the company for the past 20 years. So,
That's not what I'm saying.
and
I
the
asked how
claimant,
long have you known the claimant?
for the number of years he has stayed,
No, you have not. How long? 2 years, 3 years, 4 years?
I can't give you the exact as I am because I've known the guy long time, so I can't really recite. Even when he was agency, I've known the
It's
guy
okay.
long time. Yeah.
Very, very well. Since your affidavit, your statement on oath refer to his conduct in the company, you are not, as of today, you are not aware of query being issued to the claimant before the pendency of this case. Yes or no?
Sorry, I didn't get that question, please.
I said, before the pendency of this case, you are not aware of any query being issued to the defendant for being absent in that company. Yes or no?
There's no how a standard, an HR
My
administrative
question,
is not
please
aware of what is happening.
answer my question. You are not aware of any query being issued to the claimant before the pendency of this case. If you are aware, you will tell the court. If you are not, you will say you are not aware. Yes. What's your response?
I am not aware of the query given to him before this case course. Is that what
Pendency
you're
of
saying?
this case. Yes. You are not aware of any query being issued to the claimant for being absent in the court, in the company before the pendency of this case. If you are aware, you tell the court. If you're not, you tell the court.
I don't know about that.
You
I
are not
believe
you are not aware of any query issued to him for being absent in court in the company.
no, not that I can recall for now.
Very well. Yes, you mentioned that you are an IT person. You agree with me when you deal with computer, the normal language of the computer technician is garbage in, garbage out. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
You are also aware that it is what you impute in that computer that you can produce. Yes or no?
Definitely. Yes or no? Yes.
You are also aware that computer can be affected by human error. Yes or no?
By human mirror.
Error, it can be affected because human being impute into the computer and they can also bring it out.
Sorry, in this case,
If you are
there's
not aware,
nothing
you
like
say,
that.
wait. We also know
I
that
am not
you
aware.
are
I'm
not
not
aware.
aware of that
You are
because
not aware that
technically there is once it's
impute.
technically adopted,
Listen to me.
that should
Listen to me.
all those degrees must be mitigated.
Listen to me. Sorry, and answer me. Input into the computer can be by human, it can be by other means, such as when you put a flash drive or a device. Am I right?
Mhm.
No, you are not answering my
S-
question.
Yeah, I'm not getting your question because if you need to be clarified. I mean,
Let me ask you this. When you are bringing out what is inputted in the computer,
okay.
you can also edit it. It can be edited and it can also be deleted. Yes or no?
No.
Input in the computer can be edited and can also be deleted. Yes or no?
No. In this
Oh,
case.
so you are very sure. But you know that in
You are
every computer,
making your
sorry, madam.
if you put the computer, you have a right. It depends on what you have. It's based on authorization. What do you have? If you don't have the authorization, you can't
That
delete
is not my
and you can
that
edit.
is not my question. I said input inside the computer can be
My lord,
edited.
if
It can
I
also be deleted.
I don't
objection,
understand,
my
but
lord.
generically,
Objection,
yes
my
or
lord.
no, you're asking something
The
generic.
witness has answer the question put by counsel. If counsel wants to ask the question or ask another question, I believe counsel can ask another question, but the question has been asked and the witness has answered no, it cannot be deleted. It's not for, if counsel doubts the answer, he may ask another question. This is not to guide his cross-examination, but the question has been asked and the witness has answered that no, it cannot be deleted. That's my objection, my lord.
All right, I uphold you.
As the court pleases.
Yes, she has
Mrs.
answered.
Mrs. Ogwajo, when you
She has
have,
answered.
yes, I know, my lord, I appreciate.
Uh-huh.
My question is, as at the time you put the evidence before the court, that's the exhibit, I don't know, my lord, I'm sorry, I don't have the list of exhibits. That is the outcome of,
Where are the exhibits?
yes, the outcome of the days that the claimants have been attending and absenteeism in the company. My lord, may I be guided by the exhibit before the court? There is a graph, and also that is figure 2 and figure 3 in the witness statement. Yes. I'm sorry, my lord. There are many witnesses that have been jettisoned by the defendant.
Uh-huh.
I can see a graph.
The exhibit number, please.
Graph or list?
Is it exhibit D3?
Well, I'm talking about the graph, the graphical representation of the presence and absence of the claimant in the
What
company.
we have here is a report on
We have
absenteeism.
absenteeism.
It's a list of.
Sedis.
Can see picture on the camera.
Exhibit D3.
I put it to you that exhibit D3 was generated by imputing not only the defendant's presence and absence in the company, but these are contained in the store of the computer. You personally, not as a comparison with other employee, but only what you have presented to the court is just for him alone. It did not compare with any other employee. Yes or no? Your representation is solely for the claimant and not for any other employee. Yes or no, sir?
So is the question to me, please?
I said your representation.
The attendance given to you mean that?
Before the court is only relating to the claimant, not in comparison with other employee of that company. And I saw that means it is an abstract of the general storage, which has the attendance and absenteeism of all the employees within that period. Yes or no?
Sorry, that is attendance. That is not absenteeism report. That is attendance. That is attendance. And you can pull for any user of any group of users. So that is an extract for the users, which is the claimant.
Exactly. It is an extract, not a complete configuration of the whole employee in that company.
That is not the list of all the employee attendance.
Exactly.
That is for the guy.
You, as an IT person, you will not be able to confirm where there is an error in the computer and the claimant really being in his unit as at any time? Yes or no?
No. Please, can I explain with the explanation so that you understand how the system works?
No, I do. I have read your statement on oath. I do understand what you're saying. But what I'm saying is that there are instances where the card they use when you are coming in can fail. That is why you have a backup.
Sorry, it's a biometric. Your fingerprint. It's not a card. So it can fail. If it fails, there is a backup device. We have 4 backup systems in the factory. And so you can use any one at any point in time. And even in each of the device, it has a backup battery. So it can fail. And when the system malfunction, there is 3 other options where other users make use of. So in any case, there's no how the person can come and say it doesn't do an attendance, and you can't forget your fingerprint at all.
What I am saying is that apart from the computerized one, there is the logbook, which you have confirmed.
HR does not recognize logbook. That is
But you have-
factory's
but
own.
the-
Let me explain. That is factory own to claim whatever they want to claim with HR if they have issues. But that is not a standard which HR use for payment. If they make a salary, it is justified by the attendance system, which is automated with device and reporting.
I'm not asking how you come about payment of your employee. I'm
Yeah, I'm
talking
just
about the
explaining.
functioning. I'm not asking you to explain to me how you generate payment for your employee. I'm only talking about operation of the computer system and also the backup, which
I've explained the
one of
backup.
the backup is the logbook.
No, it's not our backup for the system device.
But you are aware that there are backups in other units, yes or no, which you have confirmed.
Backup, what do you mean by backup? You are asking me, am I aware that they
About
have
the
logbook in the factory?
As a backup.
No, not as a backup. They have logbook for their own whatever tracking they use it for. And the claimant can testify they might have or not, depends on the department. It's not all factory that use logbook.
Thank you.
But the
Mr.
device we use as a backup, and it's 4 locations. For
Mr.
every time
Bajo,
there's no
let's
doubt.
move forward. Let's move forward.
Okay,
Let's
thank
move
you.
forward.
Apart from
Let's move
that,
forward.
Thank you.
yes, you are aware apart from the fingerprint, your company also have a CCTV installed in that company, yes or no? You
Apart
have a
from what?
CCTV camera. You have, apart from coming in through fingerprint from the outside, there is a CCTV installed in the whole compound of that company, yes or no?
We have CCTV till date, but not earlier. Yeah.
You have CCTV.
We have CCTV.
Yes. And as such, as of today, there is no backup of the CCTV footage, particularly with respect of July 7th, which the complainant had said he was in that company. You have not produced any footage to show that the defendant was never in that office on the 7th of July.
I don't manage footage.
Objection, my lord.
I'm not aware of. I don't manage footage.
Witness
It's security.
has not
It's not in
testified.
the factory.
Sorry,
It's
Mrs.
not-
Agnes.
Yeah.
The witness has at no time testified to being responsible or connected with CCTV. It's not her evidence that she gave in evidence in chief. If counsel wants to ask questions whether she knows about CCTV and its operation, he may do that. It's cross-examination. But at no time has she given evidence around CCTV or visual objects around the company premises. It's not part of our work or our responsibilities for the evidence we brought before this honorable court. The counsel has cross-examination, yes, he may want to ask. That's my objection, my lord.
Counsel,
My lord,
defense
yes,
counsel.
No,
I advise you move on. This question has been over. We should not
Overflow.
overflog it.
As a
As a
please.
couple.
Much obliged, my lord.
Yes. Mrs. Ogbuajo, you will agree that you have nothing to do with the claimant's presence and absence, particularly with regard to his duty on the defendant's company's compound. Yes or no?
Sorry, can you repeat the question again? I do not have what?
You do not have any relation. That is to say, if the claimant is not in the defendant compound, you do not have an authority to issue a query for his being absent in that office.
That is not my job to issue query.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. It is not your job. So you have nothing to do personally with the claimant.
No, I have something to present attendance when it's requested for. You say I do not have nothing. I have something which has to do.
With
Ask for
respect to his
report and I give it.
responsibility with his department.
For query, I do not have anything to do with query. It's not my job.
Okay. Ms. Ogbajo, you are a member of the, what do you call it? You are a member of the management team of that company. You are part of the management of the defendant company, yes or no?
I'm not part of the management of the department. What do you mean by management?
You are one of the top position officer in that company. That's what I'm saying.
Because we have category, unfortunately, that is, I will not answer as management because directors are management. Sorry. But I'm
Then
part
what
of
is
the
your,
employee.
what
Senior
level are
manager,
you?
senior manager.
You are a senior manager. That's what I'm
Yes.
saying. As a senior
Yeah.
manager, you are part and parcel of the management team of that company.
Yes.
Good. And you are aware that where there's absenteeism or anything relating to inability of employee, it will be brought forth to the management authority by the manager relating to where the claimant is working with, yes or no?
I think you're asking some other things that is not related to me. I can answer that.
I have asked you, management members, they decide on overall disciplinary appointment, otherwise, in the defendant company, yes or no?
I think that question is not for me. That question is for an HR person that you can ask. My own is strictly technical attendance.
Well, that will be all for this witness.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. Yes, the third witness.
Very well. Thank you, Agnes. Lord, may the witness be discharged electronically, my lord.
Yes, the witness is hereby discharged.
As the court pleases, we're very much obliged. So we have Mr. Samuel Udekwe. Please turn on your mic and your video as well. It's DW3.
My lord,
Yes.
Okay.
Good
my
afternoon.
lord, I won't be able to go on with the next witness because ordinarily from my file, I do not have his exhibit as well as his statement on the court. I have not been able to go through it. So I would
When do you
like
want to come
have
back?
a short date, my lord, if that to be any date convenient to the court, just for me to be able to go through those
Yes,
statements.
yes, counsel. What's your take on that?
My lord, this is the 9th year of this matter. I know that claimants counsel are the third set, if not the fourth set of lawyers, and they are doing this in their capacity as working in the office of the public defender. So they have no personal interest. in this. In fact, it's this honorable court that invited them to
My Lord, I'm objecting to
coming
the
into
line
this matter.
of language an elephant is using. If they're not interested, we will not be appearing for the claimant.
As the court pleases, what I meant is the counsel representing the claimants have no personal interests. However, we had been at this matter, and when my lord invited the Office of the Public Defender to come into this case, I believe all of the processes which had been in the court's file had either been procured or provided to them in order to prosecute the case of the claimant. We are here again after much time. They are seeking for an additional period to get additional documents. Ordinarily, if it were private counsel, we'll be asking for additional costs, because one would have thought we would have concluded our trial today, my lord. This matter has been on for 9 years. We ourselves want to conclude.
Okay, you said it.
My lord,
if counsel will not mind, I can stand down and send them an e-copy of the evidence in chief of this DW3, because these men we've been pulling them at different times to attend. I can provide to counsel within the next 10 minutes a copy of the evidence of the witness statement on oath for Mr. Samuel, so that we can conclude today, my lord. That's my motivation for all of the story that I have said.
All right, I have heard you.
Lord,
Counsel,
Lord,
listen to me. Listen to
very
me.
well, my lord.
Due to the checkered history of this matter, I hereby order it for an accelerated hearing. So, Akpan, I want you to give me a very short date. This is the last witness, so we can hear them and wrap it up.
We are most grateful to
yes. Mm-hmm. Yes, Akpan.
Over to March
26.
My lord, it's convenient to us.
All right.
March 26. My lord will take it. We have other matters, but we'll try to bend backwards to take it on that date, my lord. We'll take the date March 26 as proposed by the court.
All right. So we have adjourned this matter to the 26th of March, 2026.
Very much
the witness is severely excused.
As the court pleases. We're very much obliged. May we ask the court's kind permission to be discharged electronically?
Okay, I understand.
So we exit electronically. Thank you, my lord.
We appreciate the court.
Thank you. Thank you for the indulgence, and we wish my lord.
Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, next case.
I know we are going back to number 1.
Is it there now?
Okay, are they around?
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Maxwell.
And that of CFAX and Maxwell, my lord, for report of settlement. I really apologize.
No problem, madam.
Thank you, my lord.
My lord, that's your Ladipo, my lord.
Okay.
For the defendants.
Okay.
Yes, counsel.
Yes, my lord, as I was trying to explain earlier, my lord, the learned SIM card reached out to. Okay.
I'm waiting to
say something.
Yes, I had not announced appearance
I'm sorry.
My
I'm
Lord,
sorry.
Abisola Ariola misses. Abisola Ariola misses. With me is IG. Oba Bolujo miss.
Okay.
Oba Bolujo miss. We respectfully appear for the claimant, my Lord.
Mhm.
And the claimant is also on this call.
Okay.
I'm grateful, my Lord.
Thank you, Counsel. Yes, go ahead.
So,
What is the
Mr.
position of the
Ladipo, you can
settlement?
go on, sir.
Yes, essentially, my Lord, well, we had settled at the point settlement was almost breaking down, but maybe after our discussions today, our learned our principals are going to reach out and discuss and see if the matter can be finally resolved. Perhaps maybe we'll be asking for one more chance. And after that, hopefully we might be able to reach a compromise.
All right.
I don't know if
Yes, Mr. Ariola. Hello. Yes.
Hello, ma.
Hello, my Lord.
Yes. Yes, I said, Mrs. Ariola.
Okay, yes, my Lord. I want to confirm the position as stated by Learned Counsel. We're almost concluding settlement. I think
How much time do you need? How much time do you need?
We can come back in April, my Lord.
It's a 2022 matter, my Lord.
The network is bad.
Can my Lord hear me? Hello, my Lord.
Yes, I can hear you now.
My Lord, I'm pleading for the shortest date available.
I think I am also amenable. I am quite amenable to that. Upon which date can we fight for them?
March 12th. 12th of March.
It's convenient.
That's convenient. March 12th.
All
It's
right.
convenient.
For both sides.
Yes, it's convenient.
March
12th, my Lord.
12th. All right. We're going to spare our lives till then. This matter is adjourned to the 12th day of March 2026 for a report of settlement and possibly a consent judgment.
Let's go places.
Okay. No problem. So you are excused.
We are grateful, my Lord.
We are most grateful, my Lord.
Thank you very much.
We are most grateful, my Lord.
Thank you. Yes, next case.
So number NICN/LA/265/2019 between Mr. Patrick Adeyi and one XL Management Services Limited and United Bank for Africa. And lot is for trial.
Okay. Who are the counsel around?
With profound respect to the Honorable Court, M.A. Olateju appearing with S.K. Okay for the claimant.
Yes.
My Lord, SL Management Service is represented, my Lord.
Okay.
My name is Gwandu Dandy, head of legal.
Dandy.
Yes, my Lord.
Okay.
My counsel was logged in initially. I think just the thing logged him out. I'm trying to reach him on phone. One barrister Osinachi. He was initially logged in when the proceedings for the previous case was ongoing.
May it please the court.
Okay, it's in now.
May it please my lord.
Yes.
Osinachi Obasi. I represent the first and the third defendants, and I'm most grateful.
Notice. So the item is okay.
Hello, my lord. Sorry, my lord.
Yes.
I think the matter is for mention from our record, and we are to bring our claimant to court, but unfortunately, he's stranded in his village as of today, and is unable to attend the court sitting today. We apologize, and my lord, in view of that, we shall humbly be asking for a date, possibly for hearing, so that the witness, the claimant, can be in court and we can proceed the trial of this case. I believe all processes are already before the court.
Hello?
Yes, my lord.
I said they were disturbing me with some phone calls.
Oh, sorry, my lord. I earlier mentioned that from our record is for this matter is for mention. And unfortunately, this morning we apologize. The claimant is not in court because he's stranded in his village. But we are only asking for a date, possibly for trial, to enable the claimant to be in court and give his evidence. We are most grateful, sir.
Akpan. Akpan.
My lord.
Do you have a date for me?
It will be in May. May 5.
May what?
5.
Grace May, is that okay?
My lord, may I respectfully bring to the attention of the court that we have an application that is pending.
What's the application?
My lord, it is a notice of preliminary objection and dated the 10th day of July 2025. And it's seeking to strike out the name or to dismiss the suit against the first defendant who the applicant said that the third defendant is a sister company of the first defendant and who has been joined. Now, they are made to continue to stay in a suit, wherein that they do any dog in the fight, so to speak. So that application is to check out the name of the first defendant, and then the third defendant can continue with his case.
My lord,
all right, what will happen? What will happen? Listen. What will happen? I'm going to look at that file. We'll adjourn this matter. Then on that day, I'll take a decision on that.
Very well, my lord. We are yet to be served the application, but my lord, may we humbly ask that this matter be also adjourned to 23rd of March, when we will be in court. 26th of March, we will be in court on that day. for the first and the number 2 matter that was
Okay.
adjourned earlier. We would love to be here on that
Okay.
day. Very well.
All
Subject
right,
to
no
comments of
problem.
Madam Fred.
20 what?
26th of March.
Is
Subject to the
26
comments of
okay
the
for
court.
you? Lion Council, is 26
Yes, my
okay
lord,
for you?
it's convenient.
May God spare our lives beyond that.
As the court proceeds. We are
Okay,
moved
this
to
matter has been adjourned to 26th of March, or May?
March,
March,
my
my
lord.
lord.
March, yes,
Yes.
2026.
As the court proceeds.
Mhm.
That's all now. That's all for the day, my lord.
All for the day we are done.
Yes, my
Yes,
lord.
my lord.
Okay, gentlemen, we have come to a close. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Everybody, have a nice day.
Thank you, my
Thank you,
lord.
The
Mr.
court shall, the
Have a
court
nice
shall
day, my lord.
rise.
God.